and then the 1 minus P. You guys follow me?
Yeah.
On how to see if it's a normal distribution. And we come up with the answer of 40 for the smallest sample.
Yeah.
How can you guys explain how we come up with 40? After the call last night, I kept going back and I could not figure out how we come up with that.
All right. So you know, like the formula, right?
Right.
So what's the lowest number that will make it? So it was greater than or equal to 10.
Okay, and I think the fraction was like 1/4. So I was trying to figure out how to come up with 40. Did we take
because your P was
times it by the 10? I mean,
your P was 140. I mean,
yeah.
1 divided by 4, right?
Right.
So then we had to find out what n was. So just type in random numbers for n until you get it to at least whatever that is to equal 10. Like, say a random number like 20 times by 1 divided by 4. What does that equal? 5. So you need a bigger number. So go 30 times 1 divided by 4. You see what I'm saying?
Okay. All right.
Yeah, it had to be 40 because then that would make it 10. Does that make sense?
What are you running?
Fine, coming, guy. I apparently have data sheets from the test. I didn't realize it was open.
What?
Like the SPS programs, the data we use, the test.
You're really quiet today for some reason.
Can you hear me?
Not that well.
Oh, really? How about now?
It's better, but I can still hear like him better than you for some reason.
The old guy's louder than the young one? Is that what you're saying?
Hey.
Yeah, something.
One.
I can hear Aaron better than Anthony too.
Yeah. Oh well.
Sorry.
All right, you guys in the quiz now?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh. All right, I'm here. Check out, guys. Well, bam. I voted. When you're required to work together on this quiz, calculate anything, please remember around to the sample for a true population in which the following. Oh man. I think it's P, right?
That's what I thought.
P? It's C, right?
Yeah.
You say C?
Yeah, it's C.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, I better get my calculator. Crap.
Wasn't there a Excel program or something that you could plug that into to figure out these things?
There is, but I was looking at it. I don't know if there's enough information. If you go into chapter 17's individual,
Yeah.
yeah, there's a link there to it, and I downloaded it. But
I'm on that book, but
No one's
Right. Oh, I guess we don't need it for this one anyways, but
whoops. Okay.
You're satisfied.
n times p.
Hello, I'm back. Sorry.
0.5 times 100 is, so 25, so that is greater than. And then 1,
So, where's the formula? At it.
1 minus
Right?
2.5 times 100. So yeah, they're both.
Over.
They're satisfied.
They're both. What'd you say, Aaron?
Yeah, they're satisfied.
Yeah.
True. Yeah, I figured it was wrong with my calculator.
What was
It was set on the wrong mode. It would always round up to the whole number.
it? Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, that's pretty dumb. I had to reset it. What's up with why is it asked the same question again? Oh, it's the hypothesis test.
It's a different one.
Yeah.
But what's different from that one?
We have to do a different equation.
Well, there's.
You do the n minus 1.
It's the same equation, isn't it?
I think it's
Let me go back and look here.
Oh, no, it's not. It's different. Sorry.
the n times 1 minus p, correct?
Well, that's part of the first one.
Oh, that's part of the first one. Yeah, I got you.
So
Hypothesis test.
isn't it p times 1 minus p over n?
So
Oh, I did it the other way around, so I think, yeah, that'll work then.
Wait, where? Looking for the formula. Hypothesis test.
what do you mean you did it the other way, Aaron?
Oh, I just messed up the p and the p hat for like the requirements for the confidence interval and the hypothesis test. But they should both be satisfied.
Yeah, they're both true.
Satisfied.
Both true.
Okay, find the p hat, the point estimate of the proportion of first degree murder defendants who are found guilty in the state. So, random sample 60.
So it was conducted in another state.
Well, that's just 45 divided by 60.
Yeah, is at 45. That's okay.
So 0.75.
0.75.
Yep.
Greg, what are you doing, hon?
Wait, a 95% confidence in of first degree.
Does everyone remember the numbers? Is it like 2.645, something like that?
Well, 95 is 1.96, isn't it?
No, it's higher than that.
Yeah.
But I think we can plug this into that program because, so
Don't we need the z-score?
X is 45, N is 60. Let me see if I can get it in here. Yeah, so X is 45, N is 60, and the confidence level is 0.95. So, whoops. All right. .75.
1.
So where is that link to Excel again?
It's in the individual preparation, about a quarter of the way down.
There's the online textbook. Is it in that?
Yeah.
Well, I looked through there. Where exactly is it on that?
2.3, using Excel to perform these calculations.
Oh, where it says categorical
Data, and yep.
Then you scroll windows.
You got
Oh,
following instructions.
There it is.
Wait, what download version do you do though?
You just go down to the bottom.
Oh, really?
Click on that category data analysis.
I actually downloaded it on my desktop.
Oh,
So,
But it says you can do an SS. All
costs $40.
no, that's the one we've already got.
right.
This one's free.
What was the null hypothesis on that one then?
Well, I put 0.75, but is that the same as the p hat?
That is the P hat.
Because there is a, I mean,
I don't think you need to do the program for it.
Oh, I guess you don't have to do it because it says p hat is 0.75 when you just leave it the way it is.
well, and if you look, let's see. So it doesn't change anything if you leave it, take that out?
I just left it how it was.
What was yours? Because mine was what was it?
0.7 is null.
Okay, so
I'm trying.
you know what? Let me look. It's
I don't know if that's right though.
It's not, because if you look down at that bottom box under the one proportional z-test, it says
Yeah.
null hypothesis, and that should equal what we're trying to. That should be the p level right there. So I
Yeah.
think it needs to be 0.75.
How do you know which one's X and N though?
Your
And
x
the
x
total.
is the n is the total sample, and the x is
Yeah.
how many people responded to it. So
That makes your z-score 0 though. I don't know if that's right.
I feel something fishy going on.
45.
Because you got your P, right? Well, you got your estimate. Yeah, I got it. Well, let's see. You just do the. Are we just trying to find the Z?
We're trying to find the margin of error.
Yeah, you just plug in the formula with 2.2. Go to 2.2 and the reading, you just do the formula. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, you do. Yep. 0.9.
Well, the crazy thing is they give you that program fairly early in the lesson, so I think there's got to be a way to use that. Okay.
No, I don't know, but I got my margin of error just by the calculator, and it's 0.11.
Which formula did you use?
Just the margin of error, you know, that it gave it to us there.
Right there,
So it's like the z star is square root of p hat 1 minus p over n. That one.
Oh, okay. M equals Z star. Okay, I see you there. So,
0.6. Is that correct? No.
I got 0.11
What the?
for margin of error.
make it. So you got 0.75 minus 1.9 times the square root of 1.175 times 1 minus 0.175 divided by 60.
That's by 60. So 1.96 over.
I don't know if that's right.
Over 60.
Oh, I think I know I did wrong. See.
Wish I knew.
I got
Is
0.106. Is that correct? Is that what you got?
that must P? What's that?
Aaron?
I got 0.109, but I guess it equals the same when you round it.
So put 0.75. So yeah, I got 0.109.
How do you get? Well, I got 0.106. So maybe I'm just off a little.
Yeah, if I round mine up, I got a 0.11. So
We're round to the third digit though, not the.
well, but mine's 0.1095.
Is 95 the Z? Is it 1.96 or 0?
1.96.
Oh, that's what I did wrong. I don't have the 6 in there. Hello, baby.
Is what you got?
No.
Oh, now I got 1.9. There you go.
So what are we, I mean, it's rounding to the 3 decimal places. What are we?
I just put 0.11.
Yeah, it's 0.11.
Okay.
I know. But then he's like, you see how close this is?
All right. The lower bound.
Wait.
Didn't we just do that from like,
Oh, yeah.
we have like the 0.75 minus the 0.11 then? Yeah, that's what it would be.
Yep. Minus. Crap.
So,
Wait, so we got
What did you subtract?
the lower is 0.64 and the higher is 0.86. This Excel program has all that figured already with using a 0.75 for the null hypothesis. So
Oh, does it?
really?
yeah, if we can, if the higher one is 0.86, that's what it's showing on this program. So because I got 0.64 for the lower.
Yep, that's what I got. Oh, look at that.
Look what we did. We built character, knowing how to do it by hand.
Screw that. Let's use the program.
Yeah.
0.86. Sorry, what?
I just figured out something.
So it's 0.64 for the lower. And then the upper is 0.86.
Then 10 is decreasing.
You increase the sample size you expect.
Yeah, it's decreased.
Conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion. 2 quorum requirements must be met. Suppose P equals.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
2 requirements.
Oh man, this should be interesting.
This would be greater than 10.
It's got to be greater or equal to 10.
I don't get it.
Holy crap, that's gonna be kind of hard. Maybe you're my wife. Huh? All right. What? So. Holy crap, we got a whole calculus here. This is so dumb. Why am I having such a hard time figuring this out? That's about 2, 20. It's 20, correct?
That's what I got.
Yeah, it is.
Cool. I actually did that right.
There you go.
I just did the front one. I couldn't figure the bottom one.
So 1/10, huh?
This is gonna be 200. No, maybe not.
It's 100.
100.
Is that true for the other side too, though?
Yeah.
Ah! Trump is now at 232.
What's Crooked Hillary at?
209.
Okay, 4. Study.
Wow, Trump's gonna be our new president.
Oh, he is. Wait, there's still like 10 more states.
Yeah, but Trump has all of them pretty much.
So we can plug this in and it'll actually give us the, let's see. So X is 38. N is 80. 38.
What?
4.
Really?
5.
I thought people said it wasn't close. Colorado said it wasn't close. Huh?
80.
13 is true.
Hey, wait. Oh, you just did the test. Okay. What is P? 38 divided by 8. Point 48.
0.475, isn't it?
Wait, what?
I guess for round. So 0.48.
Yeah. Well, no, it'll be 475. You're right. I'd eat popcorn.
So, do they announce the president in the morning or tonight?
What's that?
When did they announce?
We don't know what the confidence level on this thing is, do we?
Yeah, it's 95. Because that's, look at your level of significance.
They need a length.
Oh, yep. So 0.75, 95. Whoops.
Okay. I'm trying to find the t-test. How would you do the t-test on this? And then it's still so close, right? Isn't that
What did you put in for the null?
80.
0.6,
not really?
isn't it?
Because of the-
I did 80 in. Oh,
For that.
475, but I rounded it to 0.48.
I don't know why.
The test we are running is
Okay, does anyone know how to do 15?
Spread quality area. It's pretty so less than. Less than. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, let's figure out how to do this. Okay.
You guys get that?
Okay, how did you do it? Did you
I typed it in Excel.
Oh.
What numbers did you? I've got it done. I'm just not sure if their numbers are right.
Negative
Which-
2.282.
Negative what?
2.282 for test statistic.
Oh.
What did I do wrong here?
Well, I don't know that either.
So you got X at 38, N at 80, confidence level at 90.95.
And your null is 60. Then it's less than.
That's right. I screwed up on. So negative 2.282.
Yep.
P-value 0, or 0.00.011.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm looking at the null, but oh, I see.
Negative
P
2.2.
value is less than we reject the null.
So with this Excel program, if I followed that correctly, you don't need to use the normal probability app anymore, right? Doesn't it give you the same values as doing it the old?
Yeah, we don't need the app anymore if we use the Excel thing.
Excel is so much easier.
We reject.
2.282.
I don't know if that's new or not. But.
The p-value
Let's catch on.
is
Another 100. Woo!
0.01. And we reject the null.
Is it? I must have gotten this wrong on the test.
Yeah, you guys see that meme where
Um,
no wait.
let's not know this part.
And the summary is there is insufficient evidence to conclude the water quality in the area has decreased, right?
I missed the last one, D. There's sufficient evidence has decreased.
Oh, because we did reject the null.
Yeah, we
Okay.
did not. Just making sure. And the answers got switched, so I bumped it. Boom!
Submit.
Another one bites the dust.
And we're done.
Yay, 100. That was way easier. We don't use so much. We just use the Excel sheet.
Yeah.
Nice.
Did you guys think about like the test thing then, or whatever we're doing?
Yeah, I didn't think about it too much. I'm too busy. But let's do M&Ms or something to eat.
Hell, I'm good at that. We do M&Ms or Skittles or,
Like how many is in the bag?
I mean, even, I think the homework showed that cartoon of the mixed nuts. You know, I mean, we could do any of that kind of stuff. So
When do we have to meet again then?
Well, we just have to have our ideas, I think, turned in by Saturday night, the 12th.
So if we just did it now,
Do you want to meet, like, again just to discuss it?
We'll
To
just
fully
do it
discuss
now.
All right.
I wasn't at the bottom of the contents.
How are we gonna survey that though? Actually, my buddy took this class not too long ago, and he said they just did like an email survey. So they had like I don't know, something like, "What's your GPA versus how many hours per week?" And they said like people that work out either get higher or lower GPAs or something like that. And he just
That kind
emailed a
of
whole bunch of
sweet.
students.
Wow,
Well,
email people.
what we could do, I mean, we all live close or in Rexburg or close to Rexburg, don't we?
Yeah.
We could meet, count out the M&Ms or something real quick one night or something, or assign Kylie and I could do it or something. And I mean, that wouldn't take very long to do.
So what would our
So-
null hypothesis and what would the like alternative be then?
Well, when we pick a color, say we think that blue is 1/5 the or whatever the total amount in the bag, and then we just have to count it and collect the numbers from that, wouldn't we?
Yeah, so like what my girlfriend did, she said they each bought different M&M bags, and then they counted the colors, and then gathered the data, and then submitted it to each other. You know, I mean, just gathered it together. So y'all so each just buys a bag of M&Ms, count the colors, and then the data, you know, collect the data of each color and stuff. I mean,
Well, we could do that. We could. I mean, right now we designed the study so we can say that's what we're going to do, and then each of us could go get a bag before next Monday or even next Wednesday. And after one of these tests, we could hurry and count them while we're together.
wait,
5 sample sizes, 4
oh,
You're not gonna do it
wait. So how many bags did you get last time?
very good. We used little bags and we
What? Spell my name.
Wait, I'm thinking like the big bags.
Jereno.
Okay, M&M. Yeah.
So are you submitting that?
just getting there.
All right, so we can either, I don't know. I thought it was gonna be the big bags, like like the $5 one, but it just has to be the ones on the counter, like on the shelf, right before you check out. If you get 5 of those individually, that'd be enough too. But,
So-
yeah, what?
We each need to get 5 of those, or just why total?
Because it'd be more population, so it'd be about we want 30, right? I mean, a total sample size of 30. We want to sample 30 bags because of the rule requirements.
That's only 20 though.
I know, so I'm saying we need more than 5. I just was saying a big number at first.
I wonder if Walmart would have any extra leftover Halloween candy and get even the smaller bags.
Smaller bags. No, I don't know. 'Cause smaller bags.
Like a big bag of the small bags. Oh, well, we
Alright,
need
the
to have our teacher approve our data before.
Oh, so we got to submit this for approval first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Kylie's got Kylie's got our names typed in, so we'll let her submit it.
Wait, but we need.
We need to
There's
solve what we're doing first.
there's a
It
thousand questions.
can't be the little bags because there's only like 10 M&Ms in them. So well, we could wait. What? I thought you said the numbers were off. There you go.
Why don't you just get the normal size bags?
Yeah.
Everyone just get like one normal size bag. You don't have to get big bags or anything like that. Just as long as there's more than 30 M&Ms. But there's probably that per bag, so we're okay.
Okay.
Who wants to be the main writer for designing the study?
What are the questions?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh.
what do you mean?
Please write below which group members will be the main writers for each step of the project. The main writer will be the one to collect everyone's ideas and suggestions. They are then responsible to send out the document for feedback and apply the feedback to the document before submitting it. The writer can assign out different parts of the writing as well. For example, if you're in charge of describe the data, you could ask one of your other group members to create and label the charts and send them to you to be grafted into the main document.
Holy crap.
So we've got step 1, designing the study. Step 3, describe. Step 4, make inference. Step 5, take action. And step 6, main writer for the PowerPoint presentation. So we have 5 different ones we need to sign up for.
Did we just get a small group?
Must have.
All right. Just give me one. I'll do one task.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean,
I just write people's names down.
Write people's names, and
Because
then
we
we'll
can all
all.
do it together.
Yeah, I think the PowerPoint, all of us can jump in, and that'll probably be the biggest one.
yeah,
We can all chip in and tackle it.
yeah.
So are you writing what our project is though?
That's in here.
What are you filling out now?
Putting our names in.
Okay.
All right. Well, no, I'm just like, because we have to submit approval first before anything, right?
Right.
This is this.
Oh, this is a submittal.
Oh, really? All right. So wait, what were you testing? Were you just seeing the colors? Is that what it is? Okay. So
Hey,
our hypothesis, our null hypothesis, is that the colors are equal in the bags, and then the alternate would be they're not equal.
So we're just
The
okay.
colors- One of the other colors is not equal.
wait. Okay. So
We can even do taste. I wonder if they taste different. Do you think I'm gonna...
M&Ms are nasty anyway, so
What?
they are nasty.
This guy.
so
They're bitter chocolate. Suck the sweetness off of them, and you'll see it's bitter.
that's interesting. Are men or women more likely to walk on the grass if they're walking behind someone who walks on the grass?
Wait, what?
Oh, she's reading some of the examples on the bottom half of this.
Okay, so we need to state our research question. Make it a plain English sentence. Something like, we are trying to determine if the average fruit fly prefers a rotting orange or an edible orange.
So we'll just state that
So if the customer...
all the colors are equally represented in a bag of M&Ms.
Yeah.
That sounds good to me.
Yeah.
And that way our,
Alternative is that they're not equal.
yeah, one of them just has to be different. And then,
So this says, we are trying to determine if all the colors are equally represented in a bag of M&Ms.
yep.
Okay. What population or populations are you studying?
M&M pop.
Four large bags of M&M, isn't it?
Yeah, our bags of M&Ms.
Isn't the population different colors? 4 different colors? Or how many colors are?
Well,
What's wrong?
oh, she's just asking, is the population the number of bags or if it's the number of actual individual M&Ms
Like the colors.
or the colors?
The bags to see if they equal the M&Ms
'Cause we
equal
don't
to the bag.
we don't know how many colors. All we know is we're going to get 4 bags.
Yeah, so the population is the bags.
Maybe we should do something fun, like see if every can of a 12-pack thing of Mountain Dew tastes, the last one tastes as good as the first one.
You want
Drink 'em all.
something different, similar.
Well, that's a biased opinion.
Who says?
You M&M
What?
hater.
Okay, what is your experimental unit? In other words, what is the smallest entity from which you are collecting a single piece of data to be used for analysis?
What? I think the M&Ms, right?
Four of us voted.
Or it could be the color. I don't know. What I guess it's
Just
not.
put NA, not applicable.
There are so many questions. There's like 20 of these.
Are you really? For real?
Just put individual M&Ms. I mean,
Is it asking for a number though, or just?
it's just asking you to identify what it is. But I mean, I don't know if they're looking for weight or size or shape or what.
I don't get it. The smallest entity.
Just put it through.
Is the individual M&Ms.
Mhm.
Yeah.
We could spend all night interpreting these questions. Let's just.
What is your response variable?
What's your response?
Oh, like what the actual numbers of M&Ms there are, or just like what percentage is what color? I think that's what it's asking,
So what should I put?
right?
Should we put? Well, how many? I don't even know how many real colors there are.
Blue, red, green, yellow, orange, brown.
Find out.
6. So wouldn't a response be 1/6?
We can put that down and find out if it's right. It's our study, right? We can do what we want for our study. Oh, we do.
Well-
Oh.
I'd be surprised if they go through every one of these questions as detailed as it is.
I'm gonna
They'd have to hire